When we become clear about the function of Yuan Ti's reference system, and then look back upon Yuan Ti's commanding effect on the human body's life activity, we find that the commanding power is in fact to a great extent exercised by the reference system. Yuan Ti's reference system established in human beings up to now is still partial and biased instead of holistic. So it confines human life activity to the sphere prescribed by the reference system and makes it unable to obtain greater freedom. We know that human life activity, like any other kind of life activity, is inevitably restricted by the law of nature. However, human evolution shows the formation of Yuan Ti. Yuan Ti, human brain cell chi field. Yuan Ti has special functions, so under the command of Yuan Ti, humans can break through the confines of the law of nature and enter a new free realm. Yuan Ti can not only know nature, but can also create nature. With Yuan Ti, humans can know and reform nature purposefully and make the world of nature a conscious, natural world that knows itself. A great many philosophers, in both ancient and modern times, felt puzzled at this. Some of them attributed this phenomenon directly to gods, because they did not know the special features of the human body. They did not know Yuan Ti, mind, oneness, entity.